Hey, how's it going? In this video, we're going to be doing the TryHackMe room traverse. This is an easy box, so let's jump in. Okay, so I've got the room booted up. Let's just grab the IP address, 10.10.247.249. Let me just was 10.2. I copied the old thing, didn't I? There we go. Okay, so while that runs, let's have a quick look because it's a little bit different. So we haven't just got a user and root flag. So we've got some questions that we need to answer as we go. So can you help Bob find the vulnerabilities and restore the website? So it's a little bit different, but we'll see how we get on. So Nmap's come back. Just the two ports, so 22 so SSH and 80, which looks like an Apache web service. So I'm just going to check to see if there's any other ports. Nmap, all ports. 1010 247 249. See if there's any other ports found. So what we're looking at. So let's have a quick look at some of these so we know what we're looking for as we go. What type of encoding is used? What the hacker to obfuscate my words right. The JavaScript file. What was the flag? Okay, so looks interesting. Logs in an important aspect. What was the name of the file? Okay, so I think a lot of these are what we're going to find whilst we're enumerating around the web server. So, okay, that's not a problem. Okay, we will just see how we get on and try and answer them as we go. So, no other ports. So we've only got SSH and 80. So just before I load the web page, I'm just going to get a Gobuster going. I can type 1010, so say 247.249. We use graph, usage checklist, graph. Let's do that's what I'm looking for. Graph large directories.txt. There we go. Okay, so that's coming back with stuff ready. So while that runs, let's go and have a look at the web page. 10.10.247. Is it 247? 247, 249. Here we go. Finally hacked. I hate minified JavaScript. Okay. Doesn't look like there's a lot else. Okay, so look at the source. So you can actually see it. This is an official file, do not change. This is custom file. Let's a new window. I want that in a new tab. New tab. New tab. Let's have a look at that. What's this? /image. Please keep all images in this folder. Okay, so that's something else that's interesting. So if I duplicate that image, go to the view source. Okay. So my camera's blocking my tabs. What was the other one? That's logs. Okay. So we've got before we jump forward. DevOps team to check and remove it later. Finally hacked. Okay, so nothing else too interesting there. So close that out. Just keep on top of stuff. I'm gonna look at that. Yeah, quite a lot. I'll keep this obfuscated so no one can understand. Okay, so we saw that question to obfuscation. Okay, so let's have a look at this first, then, shall we? Source. Let me copy that. Let me move this down. Let's take this to Cyber Chef. Cyber chef. Slowly. Okay. Input. So it looks like hex. What was the question again? What type of encoding is used? Okay. Right. So it looks like hex, but didn't know that, or from could be wrong. So you can do magic, and that will try and identify it for you. So from hex and space, and that will give you the output. So let's do this as we go. Hex. Okay, what is the flag value? See this a little bit better. Function, do nothing. Var directory, var listing, var is the var I way. Okay, so console log flag is n directory plus e is the way. Okay, so directory listing is the way is the flag. What looks at that? Directory listing is the way. Oh, spelled something wrong. Is the only way. There we go. Okay. Other than that, nothing. There's nothing else interesting there. Yeah, this code does nothing. Okay. So let's get rid of that for now. Next question. Login is an important aspect. What is the name of the file containing email dump? So we saw that. Yeah, email underscore dump dot text. Email underscore dump dot text. The logs folder contains email logs and there's a message for the software team lead. What is the name and directory that Bob has created? So let's have a look at this. So email dump dot text again. Zoom in. All right, so from Bob to Mark. Sorry I had to rush early for the holidays, but I've created the directory for you. API. You loved SSDLC so much, I named an API folder under the name of the first phase of SSLDC. That. The page is password protected and can only be opened with a key. Okay. Let's Google. Okay, so the first phase of SSLDC is the project planning stage. SLDC like secure coding thing. Yeah, systems development lifecycle. Secure software development lifecycle, SSLDLC. Okay. Okay. So let's just go back. So what did it say the first one was? Go back again. Project planning stage. Okay. Project. It's not going to be project, is it? It's going to be planning. There you go. So can I get to that from here? And if I spell it right. There we go. And the password was that. Close that now, trying to keep things tidy. Don't save. Okay. Any other question before I move on? What is the key? Yeah. That. Okay. What was the email address for ID5 using the leaked API endpoint? All right, let's close this. I didn't do anything, so let me get rid of image. Keep that just in case I need the password again. Come back to that if I need to. Okay, so we're here, right? So instructions: base URL is a machine IP address, endpoint API plus my ID equals 1. Get method. Okay, and that's going to give me some output. So let me duplicate that. Change that. Okay, and that's giving me my response. So The question asked for 5. What did it want to know? Email address, which is that. This might be a shorter room than I thought, to be honest. About halfway already. Okay, so what is the ID for the user of admin privileges? Let's have a look. So, okay, so there is a role user. 0, 1. I'll do a few, and then if I don't find it quickly, oh, there we go. I was going to say if not, I'd put it through kind of W files or burp, try and do it a bit quicker, but that's found already, so that's okay. Right, so what was the question? What ID are used as admin privileges? And it was ID 3. So what is the endpoint for logging in as admin mentioned in the last endpoint instead of the URL, for example? That's going to be that. So real admin. Okay, get rid of that. Login. So let's use email. Let's use password. I'll keep that open just in case I need them again. I won't save. Welcome to admin page. You can also execute commands by using the following drop down. System owner, current directory. This has injection written all over it, doesn't it? So let me whack that to burp. Run that again. I've already got burp open. Right, so what was the question? So that was, that was real admin. For sure, it was real admin. I think there's an error with the form somewhere. Let me just copy that. Just refresh it. Is it because I'm going through burp? Hang on. I don't like my burp for some reason. There we go. Okay. So the attacker uploaded a web shell and renamed a file used for managing the server. Can you find the name of the web shell that the attacker has uploaded? Okay. So let me go, as I've already got burp open. I've opened it twice. Cancel that. Here we go. Proxy, HTTP history, post. Here we go. Let's look at repeater. So this is, where am I? Okay, there it's www. So if I look at this, put that in there, auto scroll. So all this will do, if I then change the command, it should automatically scroll to that location. So I don't need to keep scrolling down every time. That's all that is. Just makes it a bit quicker and easier. So let's do ls. Okay, so password for accessing original file manager, index.php, main.php, which is what I'm on, isn't it? Yeah, main.php. Okay, so they wanted the name of the file, the shell. So that's going to be THM underscore shell.php. So we just do that. THM shell.p. Okay. What was the name of the file renamed by the attacker for managing the web server? That's going to be that, isn't it? So copy that. Okay. Right, and the last thing we need to do is, can you use the file manager to restore the original website by removing the finally hacked message? What is the flag value after restoring the main website? Okay, so let me go open a new tab. 10-bit 10, 247, 249. Okay, so when we first logged in, we got that, wasn't it? Finally hacked. Okay. So let me go back to burp. What if I can go to that? What's that going to give me? I'll do that on here. Duplicate. Actually, I probably want to do it from, yeah. Yeah, we're in the directory here, aren't we? We're admin and then that. So actually to restore the original website, this one, we need to go up a directory as well. So, okay. So admin file manager, what was password was this? Copy. Let's go that one, that one. Save. Do Mac. Okay, so that's the directory I was in. Index.php. Yeah, there. Finally hacked. Right, can I edit this? Edit. I think it says I just got to remove it, isn't it? Can you use the file manager to restore the original by removing finally hacked message? Okay, so yeah, if I go to that, delete that, save, and go back. Where's that website? Refresh. And there we go. There's a flag. Successfully restored the website. Grab the flag. Go. And that's the room. Done. That was a lot quicker than I thought, a lot easier than I thought. But yeah, really nice little room. I enjoyed that. Please do the usual YouTube things, like, subscribe, drop us a comment down below if you've done the room or if there's any rooms you recommend looking at. Then yeah, please let me know and I'll try and get a video on it. Thank you very much. Take care and see you on the next one.